Doing an alternator in a Honda Civic inside of a parking garage, kind of dark. Using Goose-Grip portable work light. Uses a Milwaukee M12 battery. It's got a magnetic mount on the bottom. We can take this and put it anywhere. I'll mount that to the hood right there. And the light stick is here. Portable, clockable, stainless steel swivel. Everything's custom made, nothing off the shelf. 6061 aluminum. 12-inch light stick with 44 LEDs. I bent this the other day and just straightened it out. But we're going to put this down here because I got to work like right there. We're going to turn the light on with the rocker switch right there. And man, I got all the light I'd ever want. And the way you can articulate this light, turn it at any angle you want, and it stays put where you put it. As long as there's some metal around. But look at that, 12 inches of really, really bright, greater than 90 CRI, no shadows being thrown. And we're gonna put this baby in right here. Available at Goose-Grip.com. It's $159. Doesn't come with the battery, but it does have a lifetime warranty, and I promise this will be the best light you ever use in your whole life. Don't take it lightly. It really, really changes the way you work on cars, because this light is just so forgiving. This is easy. The alternator's right on top, but if you wanted to like see something down lower, I know your other work lights, you can clock this light and put it however you want. Want to see down there? Put it down there. Turn it at any angle you want. Goose-Grip.com. Swivel stick work light plus portable M12 battery housing. Also available in dual 12 volt, and snap-on will be a little bit later, probably before the end of the year. Goose-Grip.com, look for it. I'm out.